All right, welcome to this life changing webinar. Welcome, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. All right, let's move on. Okay, on this webinar, you will discover the two secrets on how to start forex trading even as a beginner and become profitable within the shortest period of time, and how you can duplicate these results and start making at least $100 to 1K dollars monthly. All right, I have a gift worth over 200,000 naira for you if you stay to the end of this webinar. So only those that will stay to the end of this webinar will have access to this gift. I never said, please listen, I never said I'm going to give anybody money, but the gift I'm actually going to give to you is worth this amount. All right, worth over this amount. So let's move on. All right, who is this training for? This training is for you if you're a total beginner, like you don't know anything about forex and you want to start trading the forex market. Don't know anything about forex and you want to start trading the forex market and then make certain amount of money, make your first million naira from forex. This training is for you. And also, if you're a 9 to 5 worker or a businessman or woman that wants to make an extra source of income, this business is for you. Also, if you are already a forex trader and you're not making so much, you're losing a lot and then getting small small wins, you're losing a lot of your money, like you're tired of blowing up your accounts here and there. You want a strategy that with a win rate of over 90%. You want to improve on your risk management and trading psychology. And you're even tired of bad signals, subscribing for signals but they are bad. And also you want to learn how to analyze the market yourself and say goodbye to bad signals. Then this training is for you. So if I were you, I would stick to the end of this training and then pay rapt attention to the end of this training. Okay, let's move on. All right, that means this webinar is for two set of people. First, for a total newbie to a total beginner who don't know anything about forex marketing but wants to learn, and then an already existing forex trader who is tired of making small wins and then who is tired of making a lot of losses from the forex market. So and wants to start making serious money from forex trading. If you fall into any of these two set of people, then sit back, remove all forms of distraction. If you are using a laptop to watch this, okay, continue with your laptop, then remove your phone. But if you are using a phone, you can go ahead with your phone, but remove any form of distraction that will stop you from listening or staying to the end of this webinar. Okay, let's move on. All right, imagine not ever having to worry about money again. Like you have access to the finances that you can pay your bills, pay your school fee if you're a student or your children's school fee, go on vacations, pay, build a house, buy any form of cars you like. Like if you only knew how to trade forex the right way and be making money, because there are people who don't know how to trade forex and are losing a lot of money. Forex is just like a two-sided coin. You lose, you lose. So you win, you lose, you win. You win when you know how to trade and you lose when you don't know how to trade. Okay, so let's continue. All right, in the next 25 to 30 minutes, I am going to reveal to you the two secrets on how to trade the forex market and bank serious money. This is the secret that the banks and the big guys do not want you to know. Let me show you the two secrets that have helped a lot of traders and even beginners to make so much money and even have confidence in trading the forex market for investors. All right. So this is one of the testimonies someone said how I'm ending today, not even one loss. Like in forex trading, there are losses and there are wins. But this one, all through his trades for that day, he did not make any loss. Like wow. And then this one said Ikuko Ego money in the back. Well done. So this one he said, first time trading, this is a total beginner. First time trading the forex market. Thanks at Coach Frank Egan and other coaches here. First time trading the market. Then see its wins here. And then this one said, thank you very much, Sir Frank. I will heed to your words and I've been going live. Demo is not my thing, okay? Frank Egon is actually my mentor, my forex mentor. So after he thanked him, see what he said, made $7 from the news post, from $6 to $14 lows. Like it is very, very possible and even more than this. All right. So wahala for who don close. We are grateful for the one we saw. So see after through there was retracement, okay. come hit the stop loss but still profit. Okay, and then this one said little early morning little food. Then like you have this like I don't even forex trading is so sweet that you can make money anytime, any day. Okay, so my promise to you is a step-by-step action plan on how to implement these two secrets I'm actually going to reveal to you in this webinar for a guaranteed success, if only you are ready to learn and take forex trading seriously. Okay, let's continue. All right, the few things to note: although you can get rich fast in forex, but it is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not a get rich quick scheme. I repeat, and it's not a do nothing and make money kind of business. Trading forex demands some effort. Okay, and the good thing is that you can actually trade forex in a way that suits your lifestyle, even if you're a businessman, a student, a stay-at-home mom, or whatever lifestyle you have, and then still make money handsomely. There are people that this trade forex trading is not for. It is not meant for people with gambling mentality. It's not meant for people that has a get rich quick scheme mentality. It's not people. It is not for lazy people. It is not for those who are not willing to learn. So I know that you are not amongst any of this set of people. So you stay behind. But if you're amongst any of these people, please you can pause now and then go back to your normal business. All right, if you are not, so let's continue. Now here is the thing: if you are lacking money, if you are still tied to that job that you hate so much, or a boss that works you up like a donkey, or you are still running around looking for a less stressful way to earn another source of income, or you've been trading this forex and you are losing so much, and then your wins are very small and you aren't profitable, at this stage you want to give up, then there is something you do not know. And the real thing is that you haven't found out yet that one thing that will free you from all of that. Okay, with the two secrets I'll be revealing in this webinar, you will be able to generate what I call income on demand. Income on demand is that point in your life that you're 100% sure that you can make money and then solve any situation, any problem. Like you just enter a trade, you risk a certain amount of money and then make a very big amount of money and then solve any problem you have, no matter the situation. So that is income on demand. So now, and you realize that your past failures and unprofitable trades were because you didn't have a predictable guaranteed system and guide to show you on how to trade forex the right way and become profitable. And then for the first time, you will be able to see clearly how you are going to start earning as much as $100 to 1K dollar every month faster than you ever thought, even as a beginner. Then who am I? My name is Mercy Utokan. I am an online business coach and also a forex trader. My specialty is in helping people like you to see light in forex trading. I discovered that the one change I needed to make in my forex game was to figure out a way of becoming a profitable trader in order to make good amount of money. So for the sake of those who don't know anything about forex, like those who don't know shisha about forex, I'll be showing you all this. What is forex? How does it work? Then the two secrets that the banks and the big guys don't want you to know. Alright, so if you are a total beginner, you need these two parts, this all of this. But if you're already a forex trader, you can skip these two and then move to number three. But if you're a beginner, you don't know anything about forex, these two parts is very necessary. So don't skip anything, just follow me through. Alright, if you have visited any currency exchange booth or if you have changed one currency to another, you've traded forex. If you've traveled from one country to another in and then go and exchange your currency to that country's currency, in that process you've participated in forex market. So what is actually forex? Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. It is simply exchanging US dollar to euro, euro to Australian dollar, or New Zealand dollar to Australian dollar. That is forex. Now forex is a simultaneous buying and selling of two currencies. So when you are exchanging one currency to the other, you just participated in the forex market. If you go to any currency exchange booth, they will ask you if you want to buy or sell. Okay, let me just show you. So this is a currency exchange booth. Like you've been seeing this in banks. If you've not traveled out of the country before, like this is the buying the banknote, and then this is the selling price. Like they buy at this amount and sell at this amount. So you exchanging this to this, what you've done at this point is forex. So like the forex market versus other financial markets. This is the New York Exchange, this is the equities market, future market, and this is the Ogata Patapata of them all, the forex market. And it is what, $5.3 trillion. Forex is the biggest financial market in the whole world. Forex trading amounts to approximately $5 trillion. Yes, I said trillion, not billion. Per day, per day. It is 200 times bigger than the stock market. So now, if I may ask you, what if you're able to take out at least $100 from this 5 trillion every day? Like this is what the big boys do, and then you see their flashy lifestyle. Okay, let's continue. So forex market is a 24 hours, 5 days a week industry. As long as the banks are open in the major countries, like we have the New York session, the London session, and the Asian sessions. Like I don't mean Nigerian working hours, or no. It is open on Sunday 10 p.m. GMT and closes on Friday 10 p.m. GMT. Like banks in the major countries, when they are open, that's when forex market is being open, and it's for 5 days, 24 hours in a week. All right, what is traded in the forex market? Simply put, money is traded in the forex market. It's either you are trading one current country's currency to another country's currency. There are a lot of currencies that are being traded in the forex, but the basic ones and the most common ones are these: the US dollar, the euro. That is the euro. This is the short form. This is the country, the eurozone, USD, United States, Japan. This is the Japan, GP, GBP, meaning Great Britain. Alright, and then this one CHF, Switzerland. This CAD is the Canadian dollar. This is the AUD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Alright, and this is their nicknames. Okay, who who also trades forex? Who trades forex actually? We have the central banks, the institutional investors, commercial banks, the brokers, individual, which is me and you, companies. But that those who don't trade forex for profit, like the central banks, they trade forex to protect their currency. Like Nigeria, the central bank trades forex to protect our country's currency, like so that the naira currency will not go too high or come too low. So that's the major reason the central banks also trade forex. But these other ones, we in particular here, we trade for profit. All right. So I'll tell you what brokers are. So what is a forex broker? It's the financial service company that provides a platform for traders to buy and sell financial currencies. You definitely need a broker while starting out as a trader. All right. Simply put, the broker serves as a middleman between you and the interbanks. The interbanks are one of the forex market participants I mentioned earlier. So now that you've known the basics of forex, let's move to how to make money from the forex market using the two secrets I promised you. The two secrets are specific knowledge and risk to reward. This is what the banks and the big boys do not want you to know, so that you keep losing your money. And here is how it works. Specific knowledge, that is a CZ strategy. There are a lot of strategies in the bank, and not all of them are profitable. And a lot of traders use these strategies that has a very low win rate, and thereby making very little money and then losing very big amount, losing a lot of money. So if you want to be successful in forex trading, you need a strategy that guarantees at least win rate of 90 to 98%. The 2% remaining here is losses. At least there is no how you won't lose in forex. It is very possible for you to lose in forex, and it's also very possible for you to win, but your wins must be more than your losses in order for you to be profitable. All right, so what is the full meaning of the CZ strategy? All right, it simply stands for confirmation and zone strategy. This strategy has a win rate of over 90%, and this is a strategy for you to use as a beginner in order to start making money from the forex market. With this strategy, you can pick trades at the exact place where the banks pick their trades from. This singular strategy can turn a total newbie into a profitable trader within the shortest period of time. Alright. The second secret is risk to reward. A lot of traders do not have a consistent risk to reward. Like risk to reward, what I mean is that what you are risking and what you are gaining. Like you risk a particular amount of money to make a particular amount of money. So a lot of traders don't even know how much they are risking in a trade. Like some traders, they'll just go into today, they lose $50, tomorrow $20, and then next tomorrow $100. Imagine such losses, and then you are not making a reasonable amount of money from it. So in forex trading, risk management, that is money management, is king. It is the oga patapata of everything you need to know in forex. If you don't know how to manage your risk, if you don't know how to manage money in forex trading, my dear, forex trading is not for you, because you're actually going to lose a lot. So we use in our community, what we do is we use a specific risk to reward. So see, high bosses, the risk management we were taught, I tried it today on this $10 account, risk $2 out of the $10, and it gave me this profit. I didn't know I could grow a $10 account to $30. Like he risked a specific amount of money, and then out of the $10, and then he grew his account to $30. Okay. So this one said, so I just felt like sharing my small win. You all, I made a million using the demand and supply strategy as taught in the course. So this is the strategy I'm actually talking about. All right. So he said, risk to reward my boss. You can see. And then this one, congratulations. This is our support group, our community. So in our community, what we do is that we stick to one risk to reward and one strategy that has a high win rate. The CZ strategy I just explained. Okay, here's how we trade in our community and make profits using a specific risk to reward and the CZ strategy. So now, for example, let's say in a week you are risking $50, like this specific amount of money. To make this specific amount of money, $200. All right. So that means for each $50, you're actually going to make $200. Yes, it's very possible. So in 1 week, you took 5 trades and lost 3. Yes, losses are very, very normal in forex trading. It is very, very okay for you to lose. All right. So, but for you to be profitable, you need to lose small and make big wins. But a lot of traders do it the other way around. They make big losses and then small wins. So they end up being not being profitable. All right. How do you reduce your losses and increase your wins? I will show you now. So in 1 week from where we stop, you took 5 trades and lost 3. And remember that you were risking $50 to make $200 on each trade, right? Now out of 5 trades, you lost 3, which is $150 in total. And then you won 2, which is $40 in total. All right. So now $150 out, you lost 3, $150, and then you won 2, $400. All right. So what is your profit now? And your profit is $250. If you convert this to naira, you're actually going to have this amount of money. Imagine making this amount of money weekly, like every week, and then in 1 month, how will you make? What will you make? It's 770,000 naira. So you can make this amount of money in a month as a total beginner. So what about you risk $50 to make $500? Yes, it is very, very possible. Don't be skeptical. It is very, very possible. And newbies in our community make so much that you think they are already pro traders. All right, see this one. I will encourage all of you to find time to learn this trade. I work in a prestigious bank in Nigeria and earn a comfortable salary in Nigeria context, but there is nothing like being free. Yes, there is nothing like being free when you are working for somebody. Every time you are answering sa, and the person will be ordering you around. But if you know how to make money yourself, you can work for yourself anytime, any day, without anybody hustling you around or working you out like a donkey. So this one is a newbie. He said first trade $6 profit. Thank you all for guiding us through. Frank Egon. Frank Egon is my mentor. I will tell you about him later. All right. How do I actually start making money in forex using the two secrets you've shown me? All right, I'll show you. You may be wondering, okay, Messi, I now trust you. I now believe that I can trade forex and make lots of money. How am I going to start? So it's just like when you start driving a car for the first time. You'll be scared, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to turn right or left, you don't know anything. But with a guide, you get to master how to drive. So the same thing is applicable here. So now let me ask you a question. If you to join a forex community and learn how to trade the forex market the right way and become profitable today, would you join a community of successful traders? Okay, if your answer is yes, I want to get started today, here's exactly how to do it. The very first thing you need is the bank secret forex course. Okay, this is a program that teaches you how to become a profitable and professional forex trader. You will learn the basics of forex trading, how to find a reputable broker. Remember, I told you what a broker is, and there are scammers out there, and there are fake ones, and there are ones that are not reliable. How to find a reputable broker, you get to learn it, how to start trading the right way and make bigger wins. So you may be asking, what exactly do I need to get started? If you have a phone, a smartphone, you can start. If you have a laptop, you can use your laptop. And then the next thing you need is a data connection. And then the oga patapata of them all is the bank secret forex course for you to get started. So now, here are the testimonies from the course. This course has been a blessing for me. Within this short period of time, I funded my account with my last cash, his last cash, and then quadrupled it within 2 days. Yes, it's very, very possible. Paying for this course is one of the highlights and blessings for me this year. So this is a total newbie. It's not up to 3 days, sir. I don't dey do things. Like it's not up to 3 days. He said, Boss Frank, it worked though. It's not up to 3 days. And he has started doing things. This is a newbie. So, and this one, we are privileged to be under Boss Frank. And okay, see what this other person said. This is our community. But seriously, Forex no hard though. I've been doing backtest, okay. Okay, I've been seeing many and crazy trade setups. Okay, we are privileged to be under Boss Frank. This is my mentor. He explained everything well. You just need to bend down and learn. Yes, I bought the Forex course 2 years back. The guy was teaching me a total newbie, as if he was teaching someone that has been in Forex for long. This is the best course in trading Forex. All right, and then this one's if you congratulations in this our community. So inside the bank secret forex course, what you will learn? You will learn the basics of forex, what is forex, the best times to trade, the apps you need in trading forex, how to navigate them, the best brokers to fund your account with, and how to find them, the forex terminologies, pips, leverage, lot size, and all this. You get to learn them. Technical analysis, how to analyze like the banks and be making crazy money. Fundamental analysis, how to trade the news and know the times news is being released. Risk to reward strategy. Yes, this one is very, very important. How to risk a very small amount of money, like let's say $5 and then make $50. Yes, or risk $100 and make 1K dollar. All right. After getting the bank secret forex course, what next? So here are the bonuses you will get, the things you will get for free. Access to our forex community. Access to this forex community is 100,000 naira, but you're actually going to join for free. Remember, iron sharpened iron. So it is very, very important you get to meet other successful traders and then get to learn from them, from this our forex community. It is 100,000 naira, but you're actually going to join for free because of getting the bank secret forex course. Our signal group, the signal is 98% win rate. Yes, you can hear me right, 98% win rate. And the monthly subscription is 70,000 naira, but you have access to this for free. The weekly live classes, like every week, 40,000 naira. every week, 40,000 naira, but you're actually going to join for free. You have access to our scalping secrets that you can make up to 100 to $500 within 5 minutes of trading the forex market. So this one is actually 65,000 naira, but you're actually going to get it for free. This is the student support group, 45,000 naira, but you get it for free. Student support group, like you get to have questions you ask and you be responded, you get someone to guide you through. So if you have to pay all this in total, it is 320,000 naira, but you are not actually going to pay this amount. It's only when you get the bank secret forex course, that's when you get access to all this. All right. So this is the scalping secret that I actually told you about. And you see what she said. And I saw that I had $2 left in my account. I decided to run it and scalp it. I have flipped that $2 to over $100. Imagine that. So this one is, he said, this guy named Frank, like he's talking about my mentor, which I'm actually going to tell you in a short while. And this is the support group. This is the support group. I had $16 and made almost $30 with your live CPI news analysis this afternoon. This is the balance. So this is it. There are a lot of testimonials. So this one, it said, I did not enter early for the news funded with $13 flipped to $23. What if I came early? Imagine that. So there are a lot of testimonials. Price for the bank secret forex course is 100,000 naira. Yes, don't panic. 100,000 naira, because if you get to learn it and know how to trade very well, like 100,000 naira is a very small cash. 100,000 naira is a very small money, but currently it's on discount, which is 40,000 naira. So at this rate, you should go to the church and thank God and say and give testimony that actually, or go to the mosque and then start giving testimony that actually got a forex course that is working at 40,000 naira. But soon it will be going back to its original price, which is 100,000 naira. So now my personal free bonus to the first 5 persons that will get started in the next 3 days. Okay, let me give you to next 4 days. So number one is lifetime access to my mentor. Like my mentor that you've been seeing the testimonials, the Frank Egon. People pay him $200 for his mentorship, but you get access to him 24/7. You can call him anytime, ask him question because of me for free. Then the blueprint on how he made 10 million even as a beginner in 8 months. Like paid 800,000 naira for this blueprint, but you're actually going to get it for free. And then how to get a huge funded account to trade with, let's say $200, $50,000, okay, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 and above. Okay, so this is someone who actually got a funded account, $100,000. You can see, like, I go like learn from you. I like your life. I like your style. Straight to the point. And then he said, boss, I did it. You can see. All right. So good afternoon, sir. What you and boss briefly teaches really works. I ignored this, and then I backed 220K in less than 24 hours. I just withdrew the money like Tiva and Xness yesterday. So it is very sweet. Like, it's always very sweet when you when you know how to trade and then withdraw the money and then use it. It's always very sweet. So this one said he made 170K. He said, thanks a lot. Taking your course was one of the best decisions I have taken in my life. So and then this one, wow, 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 I'm grateful to be here, guys. I thank God Almighty and you all for the place I am today. Okay. He said, thank you, Frank Egon. This is actually my mentor, Frank Egon. And then this is the ebook I said I'll actually give you for free. How to get from a newbie and then make 10 million in 8 months. Okay. So this is the most wonderful gift I've ever given myself, is learning how to trade the financial market through Frank Egon. Concise and specific knowledge is all you need. And I will say this, find a profitable crypto stroke forex mentor. Pay his price and learn his ways. It's simple. We fail so many times because we look up to so many people. All right. So why am I giving all this bonus like free access to my mentor and also the free bonus, the funded account, and the and the other one, the blueprint for you. Why am I giving it to the first 5 persons? It's because I love people who don't allow life changing opportunities to pass them by. So I want to help them actualize their dreams of becoming a profitable trader, and by making the process faster for them with this free bonus. If you're amongst these first 5 persons, if you are the kind of person who do not allow valuable opportunities to pass them by, then quickly send Mercy, I have my 40,000 naira ready. Please guide me on WhatsApp. You actually have my WhatsApp number. All right. For the first 5 persons within the next 4 days, first 5 persons, I emphasize on that, within the next 4 days. Okay. All right. The door will be closed after the first 5 persons have grabbed this opportunity within the next 4 days. So what I mean is that after these 5 persons have paid for the bank's secret forex course, within the next 4 days, the rest of the people will pay but won't get access to my personal bonuses. All right. So in order not to miss out on my personal bonus that I just mentioned earlier, among the first 5, so try and be among the first 5 persons that will get started within the next 4 days. All right. Questions that people love asking. I don't know anything about forex trading. Can I take this course? Yes, it is actually for from beginner level to pro level. You actually the course is actually going to guide you through, like hold your hand by, and everything you need, plus the bonuses you are going to get. You can take the course as a beginner. As someone who don't know anything about forex, yes, it is a beginner to pro level course. So this one, like, I'm a busy person, will trading forex suit my busy schedule. Like, remember, a bank actually gave advice in one of the testimonials that I shared. So if a banker who does not really have much time except in the evening and at night can trade forex, then a total businessman, which let's say a total businessman or a 9 to 5 worker, it's you can trade forex at any time because it is open 24 hours a day and then 5 days in a week. So I've been blowing up my trading account. Will your course help me? Yes, it will help you and then show you how to trade profitably using those two secrets so that you won't blow up your account anymore. Because blowing up your account is because of poor risk management, trading psychology, poor usage of the strategy. You don't have a good strategy. All those things you're actually going to learn in the course. How much can I start trading with? You can start trading with at least, let's say, $20. There are brokers that accept such amount. If I start now, when will I start making money? I sometimes avoid this question because it sounds that a get rich quick kind of question, but I can guarantee you that in the next 1 week, if you start now and learn and know everything and know how to trade, in the next 1 week, you're actually going to make money. Hope you'll be there to guide me. Yes, yes, yes. You'll be there in our student support group, the community, and then you can ask question and be answered. Where did I make payments? Okay, here, before we end this session, where do I make payment? I actually told you to send a message to me on WhatsApp telling me that you have your money ready and I will guide you from there. Before we end this session, here's an advice for you. Remember, every win you make puts money in your pocket and then takes Sapa away. So this is one of our colleague excuse. He sent his mom money for the first time, like no, for the first time ever. He sent his mom money and then she called him and prayed for him. Imagine that kind of joy, listening to your mom's prayer and then answering amen. Imagine that kind of feeling and then you know that your future is bright, doors are being opened for you. Like you understand all that. You know your family members are looking up to you when you've outgrown and you've gotten to the adulthood stage. Your mom is looking at you, your younger ones are looking at you, and then if you are not doing anything in return, that means you're kind of a failure. Sorry to say that. All right. Are you ready to take action now? Good. Congratulations for being here to the end of this webinar. If you are ready to take action within the next 4 days, here's the following steps to follow. Just quickly get your 40,000 naira ready in your bank account or anywhere you have it. You can have it, might not be in your bank account or maybe your friend's bank account or wherever you have it. and then chat me up ASAP in on WhatsApp. You actually have my WhatsApp number. Then say me say I have my 40,000 naira ready. Please guide me and I'll take it from there. All right. So we've come to the end of this webinar. Do have a good day and then sleep tight. All right.